I work with Mark Denver, Karofio, and Adagala, and they're my colleagues at Samokweli, and their arrest is very worrying to me because they're not involved at all in the production of Blood Parliament. I don't even know who produced that production. But I know for a fact that we work together, and some of the things that have been taken from them belong to our organization, Samokweli. It is a media house, and we're very concerned. Our government is afraid of the truth. There is nothing wrong with Blood Parliament. What they should be doing is investigating the killer cops who murdered innocent young people outside Parliament. And so right now the government is grappling in the dark, trying to find out who did what. And then trying to find out who did what in the wrong side. They should be trying to find out who are the killer cops and the killer army officers who murdered innocent young people. So I'm asking Kenyans, wherever you are, raise your voice about the arrested filmmakers. And number two, make sure that your parents watch the Blood Parliament. Translated to many languages. BBC has released Blood Parliament. There's a Swahili version of it. Make sure everyone watches it. Serikali inaogopa ukweli. Na sasa ndio wajue kwamba sisi tuwaogopi, lazima ukweli usambazwe nchi nzima. Kila mtu ambaye hajaona Blood Parliament, watch Blood Parliament. Na tusupport wale wazazi ambao watoto wao waliuliwa. Serikali inafaa kushika wauaji, si wale ambao wanatengeneza sinema. Hiyo sinema ni ya ukweli. Inaonyesha kwamba yale mauaji ambayo yalitendeka pale bunge. So tunaomba kwamba paza sauti zenyu wherever you are, toa sauti. Wale ambao wameshikwa na wana hatia yote waachiliwe, na serikali pia iwarudishie vitu zao za kazi. Asante.